There are moments that change your life. A decision to move to New Jersey, a decision to take on a gig, a question asked at 10:10 a.m. Saying yes to a walk in the park. Asking, is this good enough?
Oh my God, you look so good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Leading us to this moment, today.
Finally. It seems like we've been waiting decades for this. And I'm so happy that you guys are finally married.
All I have ever wanted for Ridhi is for her to be happy because she just deserves the world. And I knew when she met Smith that he was her world.
On behalf of Beena and me, and I'm sure the Patel family, we all welcome all of you. We really enjoyed having all of you here. It was really, really nice to see our New Jersey family along with our Dallas family. We had an incredible time.
This weekend has been nothing short of spectacular. I hope you enjoyed every moment. Ridhi, you look absolutely stunning. And Smith, yes, you managed to look okay too.
You guys are amazing together. I know Ridhi's already crying.
I've known Smith for about 9 years now, and I'm proud to call him not just a close friend, but an older brother. An older brother that I can look up to, or in this case, look down to.
I'm gonna go ahead and say we're not talkers in a sense that we don't express how we feel about each other, but we just show it. I'm sure you probably learned that getting to know Smith. But one thing that I definitely want to say is that I'm so happy and proud of my brother.
And I remember the first day I met Smith. Dennis introduced me as Bai. And Smith, without ever missing a beat, just started calling me Bai, right? Because his brother was everything, and everything was his brother. And if his brother called me Bai, then I must be his Bai too, right? And the thing is, he never let that go. I was always his Bai, because that's what his brother called me, and that made sense to him.
I want to start out by thanking everybody for coming through for us. This entire weekend was phenomenal for us. And it was only like that because of each and every single one of you guys. You know, there are not enough words in my vocabulary to be able to articulate how grateful we are. It just means the world to us.
You know, all the way from India to Texas, I know it's not easy, but thank you very much.
I want to especially thank my mom and dad, my entire family actually really I know my brother alluded to it a little bit earlier. He just got married end of January. It's a lot. But my entire family pulled through and went to India, everybody. And as if asking, for that many days off wasn't enough, then Ridhi and I had our wedding, and then they took off time for our wedding. So everybody, especially from my side of the family, thank you guys so much.
And I see his growth and his passion and his dedication, always that neuroses that we all talk about that Smith has. It's actually true. Like, he's neurotic about things. But honestly, that's what makes him brilliant. Because when you care so much, you can't help but be great at it. And he is. And ladies and gentlemen, look at us now. We're in Texas, baby. You know what I mean?
नाचूंगा ऐसे उड़ती पतंग जैसे झूमे हवाओं के संग ना मुझको रोको ना मुझको टोको मैं हूँ मस्ती में मस्त मलंग ये नाचूंगा ऐसे उड़ती पतंग जैसे झूमे हवाओं के संग ना मुझको रोको ना मुझको टोको मैं हूँ मस्ती में मस्त मलंग मीठी बातों से मुझको खींचे है तू अपनी ओर थोड़ा अतरंगी थोड़ा सतरंगी सारे मिलके मचाए ये शोर ढोल बजा ढोलीड़ा ढोल बजा नाचेंगे सारी रात हम ढोल बजा ढोलीड़ा ढोल बजा नाचेंगे सारी रात हम गरबे की रात में तू मेरे साथ में रोके रुकेंगे ना हम अरे ढोल बजा ढोलीड़ा ढोल बजा नाचेंगे सारी रात हम गरबे की रात में तू मेरे साथ में रोके रुकेंगे ना हम ये बजा ढोल बजा ढोल बजा धम धम ढोल बजा नचा सबको नचा आजा सबको नचा बजा धम धम ढोल बजा दिल की धड़कन मेरी तेज होने लगी जब मुझे देख तू मुस्कुराई मुझको लगता है तूने मेरे नाम की अपने हाथों में मेहंदी लगाई
सोचा ना था तेरी बातों में आऊंगी अब तो मैं भी फिसलने लगी हूँ छोड़ कर सारी दुनिया के रस में पिया मैं तेरी ओर चलने लगी हूँ
तेरे चेहरे को तक रहा है दिल जैसे चंदा को देखे चकोर थोड़ा अतरंगी थोड़ा सतरंगी सारे मिलके मचाए ये शोर
ढोल बजा ढोलीड़ा ढोल बजा नाचेंगे सारी रात हम
ढोल बजा ढोलीड़ा ढोल बजा नाचेंगे सारी रात हम गरबे की रात में तू मेरे साथ में रोके रुकेंगे ना हम ये बजा ढोल बजा ढोल बजा धम ढोल बजा नचा सबको नचा आजा सबको नचा बजा धम ढोल बजा
All right. So this was the first itinerary. Actually, let me say this right? So I've executed hundreds of itineraries at all these weddings that I've performed, right? And I just run into this one, July 4th, 2015. And, I've only, done groom's entrances by myself for maybe like 5-6 years at this point, so more than capable of it. But there you see some girl named Ridhi is supposed to be by the DJ booth just so the groom could walk in, and everything's perfect. So that is literally where it started. Okay, that's the first time I saw her. That's the first time I met her. And I was able to dig this up from my emails. I'm not, whatever. But that's where it started. And as I say, the rest is history.
यही बस भंगड़े दी रिवीजन है
वेडिंग द सीजन है सोनिया डांस द रीजन है वेडिंग द सीजन है सोनिया डांस द रीजन है वेडिंग द सीजन है सोनिया डांस द रीजन है
Smith, I love you so much, and I feel so lucky that I can officially call you my brother. But not only have I gained a brother, but I have gained a new family as well.
As a father, it's kind of very hard to see my daughter going through the aisle and seeing her go.
Ridhi, you have a heart of gold. You make everyone feel comfortable and always think of other people before yourself.
Simply becomes real.
I am so lucky to have an older sister like you, and even more lucky that you found someone who pushes you to be the best version of yourself.
Smith, I love your passion, man. I love the attention to detail that you give. He always knows things, right? He always knows these facts about the most random things. One time, he made me watch a video, which was like an hour long, on airplane wing. Not on the airplane, not on the whole airplane, just the airplane wing. That was an hour-long video. Today, he told me the benefits of zinc earlier, okay? So that's the kind of person Smith is.
Smith, I am so honored to have gained another wonderful brother. Someone who cares about my sister and her family, so much so that after a sleepless night, he noticed I was cold this morning and stopped in the middle of all of the chaos to make sure I was okay and asked if I needed anything.
And you're right here with this version of you.
I don't speak much, so I'm gonna try to keep it short and simple, just like how Ridhi likes her men.
This version of you looking at you.
She is so warm. She is so kind. She is so generous, right? But here's the thing. We didn't get close because of that. Because a kind person will be kind to anybody, right? A kind person needs to be able to get mad at you, or annoyed at you, or frustrated at you, because they feel that, okay, it's okay. We'll still be friends the next day.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor and privilege to welcome your newlyweds, Ridhi and Smith Patel!
This version of you.
just realized that I found out that she just cares about everybody to a fault, right? She puts literally everybody before her.
Good evening, good evening, good evening, everyone.
Ridhi, I love you so much. Mom loves you so much. I know it's, you are going away, kinda, but not really.
Because at the end of the day, one thing I've known about the Jersey City Patel family is that when they're loyal, they're loyal. They're in. It doesn't matter who you are, how much you make, what you look like. And they've been loyal every day since then.
For ladies and gentlemen of the ballroom tonight, it is my distinct honor and privilege to welcome for the first time tonight, Mr. and Mrs. Smith and Ridhi Patel! You guys look amazing, by the way.
Mom and Dad, thank you guys for everything. You guys have been, Smith said it. I am the person that I am today because of you guys.
Ridhi not only gained Smith, there's a sea of brothers dressed just like me that will go to war for her.
Smith, you have made Ridhi so happy, and I hope that your love continues. And you're just the best Masa and Masi to Mahi and Adya, and we love you so much.
I wouldn't be the man I am today without you. I never had an older brother growing up, but I never felt the need to because you were always there. Thanks for all the advice and life lessons you have given me over the years. And it's with happiness and joy that I can stand here today and support Smith as he marries his best friend, Ridhi.
To my husband and my best friend. Over the last 8 years, you've shown me what love truly is. I'm so thankful for you each and every day. You have the biggest heart, and I knew shortly after I met you that you were the one. And I never give up, and I never will. I will fight till the end for both of us.
With that, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to our newlyweds. I love you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'm so grateful to, officially call you my wife. I think it has a good ring, all right? And I'm gonna end with that. I love you.